Welcome to test 2 of the FeLiion robot, and we're going to run some software that we've set up on Python. Here we go. Here's the main control panel for this test. I can walk through and toggle a walk. I can lay down, crouch down, sit down, stretch legs, etc. Toggle tail wagging, etc. You can also move the leftmost leg to test various positions on these controls. So let's go ahead and show you the robot. It's powered with this brick at the moment. Eventually this will be integrated to the robot itself. I've got a gentleman in Canada who's working with us to create a power module for the Pi that will work for this. But for now, this is what we're doing. I'm going to rig it for full leg installation, which is that. Now I'm going to tell it to crouch down. That's the crouch mode. I'm going to go back to a full stand. And now we're going to go to crouch down with legs bunched as if it were on a small platform. You can see that tips. If the tail was on the back, that would probably counterbalance properly, but we're going to hold it up here just for now. That's a bit much, so let's go back to a crouch. And there we go, that's the crouch position. Let's do a non-bunched lay down. That's a more typical pattern. And now we're going to stretch out the front legs. I'm going to go back to a crouch. I'm going to stretch out the back legs. Go back to a crouch. Now we're going to go to a full stretch. And back to a crouch. And now we're going to toggle walking. Actually, we're going to move the white leg right over here somewhat. Let's take a look what we can do with that. I'm going to go to position A, back to stand. Oops, that tipped. And again, if the tail was on this thing, it would be a little more stable. I'm going to hoist this up for a second. And go to there we go, that's more stable. Let's go into a toggle for walk. Now, there's no feet on this thing, so it's going to slip horrendously, but at least we can see the coordinated motion. Oh, that's back to a leg stand. Actually, let's toggle this off first. Back to a leg stand. Okay, end of test 2.